what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is going to be an unboxing, first impressions, and we'll just go with that. So I have some packages from Woman's Best that I'm super excited about because I've never tried any of their products before, but here they are. I'm very excited, especially because we can't go out and do anything, so it's very exciting when things come to the door. One thing about me is I love being active and working out, and I was doing really good with working out and eating well when everything was going on. Before I went to Mexico, I was doing really great, but now I haven't been able to work out for a couple weeks just because I have bursitis in my knee. Not fun. If you don't know what bursitis is, Google it. But yeah, so this stuff was on the way before I found out I wasn't allowed to do any physical activities. So I'm still going to be doing an unboxing and just kind of my first impressions and first thoughts. But I will do a separate video actually using the products and everything like that. I'm still going to try on the one workout outfits, but obviously I'm not working out right now, so I'm not going to be doing like any of the supplements or anything. So let's get into it. Let's go with the box. Feels like Christmas. Oh my goodness. Okay, very excited. So in this box I have I'm so excited for this. I totally forgot. I have the protein cream, which is like a chocolate spread, but it's like a healthy one. So excited about that. Oh my god, and that's actually like a big size. 95% less sugar, 3 times more protein. Because I have like a hard time getting protein. Like, I don't know, like I'll snack during the day, but it'll be non-protein stuff. So that I'm super excited about. Then we have BCAAs amino. This is the iced tea lemon flavor, which I'm very excited about. So this is like what you drink while you're working out. I also have the little Woman's Best shaker cup. Eee! I'm actually so excited. I just want to use all this stuff. Then we have the burner capsules. So also vegan, gluten-free, lactose-free. So it's like a little fat burner capsule. We love that. And then we got the big daddy. So this is the Shape Body Shake all-in-one whey-based meal replacement. This is the chocolate flavor. Very excited about this. I feel like it should be way more full, but maybe that's just me. I don't know. Get in shape, maintain your muscle, lose weight. Loving that. So those are all the little, I got like the Shape Body or the weight loss package. So you get the little Woman's Best cup, which I love the size of this. I have like a big one, but this one's really nice, and it has a little shaker thing in there to kind of break things up. The big whey chocolate Shape Body Shake. BCAAs, which I'm very excited about because I always see people using these when they're working out. And all the flavors that they have, like iced tea lemon for this, and like a protein, like basically like a Nutella but healthy and like a protein version. Woo. It's sealed, don't worry, the lid is just got a little bit unscrewed. Very, very excited. And then these as well. Let's get into the clothes. So I will try this on for the vid. So I came across Woman's Best because I feel like you probably know who Tammy Hembrow is. If you don't, search her up. She's a YouTuber. She also has her own clothing line, which I've ordered stuff before, loved. But she's like my fit inspo. She's amazing. So that's how I found out Woman's Best, just because she uses their supplements all the time. And so when I was on there and then I seen they had clothes. Alright, so I just got one workout outfit. It's matching. And so this is the Power Seamless Sports Bra in charcoal, and then the Power Seamless leggings also in charcoal. So they just come in nice little bags. I love workout gear, especially like isolation. Literally all I wear is workout gear, even though I may not be working out. Ooh, oh my gosh, okay, these look so cozy. So they have the little Woman's Best logo there, high-waisted. Ooh, hopefully this size is good. I got a size small, but they don't seem crazy stretchy like I thought they would, but we'll see. And then I also got a size small in the sports bra, but that one looks good. And then that's just the sports bra there. All right, so I'm gonna try these on and I'll be right back. Definitely got the right size. I was kind of worried when I first felt the pants and started putting them on, just because around the ankle and like actually getting my foot through, it was tight. But once I got them on and pulled up and everything, I love how high they go. I'm like, love high-waisted pants. So cute. On the back, I think it's just crisscross. I love this, and I love the color. I don't have any workout stuff this color, and so love this. Love the feeling. I love the thicker band right here. It just like sucks everything in and gives like really nice shape. Like, I have not been working out or eating that good, and like, it doesn't look that bad. Okay. Totally love this. Okay, I'm so excited, and now that I'm in this, I just want to work out, but that's not an option for me right now. But this is so, I guess I can take the tags off everything now, since I made sure they fit. So yeah, I got a size small. These are the Power Seamless leggings and sports bra in charcoal. So totally, I'm so excited. So excited to have new workout gear. I love matching outfits. And this is just so cute. And like, there's little, I don't know if you can see, but there's like little lines and like there's like little designs on here, like little patterns, but it's the same color. And so I think it just makes it more breathable and stretchy. And like it goes like up the side as well. But I just love this, and like the feeling, it's not like Lululemon. Like all workout gear that I wear is Lululemon, and it's not, it just has a different feeling. I love it. But I'm going to do a whole video on all the supplements and everything once I get back and I'm able to work out again. I'm just kind of waiting for the swelling in my knee to go down and all of that, and then I'll be back to it. And so I'll do a little workout video and then also trying everything that I got. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing. It was just nice to come back on camera. I have some videos planned in my head that I need to film. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Oh my goodness, guys, so I ended the video, hung out for a little bit, and then I was just like, why am I waiting to try the like chocolate shake, like the body shape shake, because I don't have to be working out to do that. And it's the chocolate one, and I mixed it with almond milk just because that's the milk I drink. I don't know why I just stopped drinking regular milk, but I really like almond milk. It is so good. It literally tastes like chocolate milk, but better. I don't know, but every time I've tried anything like this, it always has, like, when I try protein bars or anything like that, they're good, but it's like, it's a protein bar, so it's not that good. But this is so freaking good, and I just love this little cup. I love the size of it. Love it. I definitely could drink this every day, and so that is what I will be doing. But I thought I would do a quick review on this just because I tasted it and I was just like, oh my goodness, and like that was my first impression, so I was just like, it's so good. But anyways, like I said, I'll do a video of me doing like a workout in the stuff, using all the other things. So I just wanted to quickly jump on and say that the chocolate shaped body shake is delicious.